Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix low volume on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So first, make sure that the volume is at max if you want anything louder. Then go into the settings and search for Do Not Disturb and make sure that it is not enabled, that it is disabled. Then next thing is to clean the speakers. The speakers are right here and right here at the center of top and bottom. Clean it with compressed air or a soft brush. Don't use any metallic tools. And that's it. If you're still unsatisfied with the results, then your phone probably can't be any louder and you need to buy a speaker. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.